Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an ingredient that is mixed with a very mild oil. This ingredient is just, this treatment is just gonna help you to wake up your skin. All right, it's just gonna help you unclog your pores and give you a beautiful glowing skin. All right, so if you want to know what comprises of all my ingredients, please do continue watching. And if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please share the video, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. The very first ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Alright, so baking soda and baking powder is actually not the same. They are different. Baking soda is used for the skin, while baking powder is not used for the skin. Okay, so you can actually buy this in a baking shop, in a local market or a supermarket. Alright, baking soda contains an ingredient that helps to glow the skin alongside with some very natural and essential oil. It helps to remove wrinkles. It also contains a lightening property, which when used over time helps to lighten up the skin, leaving the skin evenly toned and radiant. It also great in removing pimples, unclogging the pores, and removing age spots. Alright, so the next ingredient we are going to be needing baby oil. We need this Baby Johnson oil, okay, because it locks in moisture onto the skin. Baby oil is as compared to like coconut oil, which helps to moisturize the skin, retain moisture onto the skin, help the skin glow, and it's also very essential in beautifying and removing bad oil from the skin. Alright, so Baby Johnson baby oil is going to be recommended and preferably for this. Alright, and the last one we're going to be needing is vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E capsule is a very thick oil that helps to unclog the pores. It helps to retain moisture onto the skin, and it also polish and glow the skin. It works for dark under eye and dark circles. It also helps to remove puffy eye and pigmentation. So we need this. This is actually very important for this treatments. Okay, so we're gonna be needing a bowl, and then we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of baking soda into this bowl, and then we're just going to close that up and keep that aside. Then we'll be needing the Johnson baby oil, and in this one we're going to be pouring in 1 teaspoon of that. Okay, I don't think that is going to be enough, so we're going to pour in another one. Okay, and then we're just going to cut in the vitamin E capsule, and then we're just going to press that in. After doing that, we're going to mix this together, and you can see that the consistency is still solid. So I'm going to be measuring in another of this. Let's mix it and see how the consistency is going to be like. We want it to be a very friendly consistency. Alright, so invariably we're putting in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and also 1 tablespoon of Johnson baby oil and 1 capsule of vitamin E capsule, and this is it. This is a very good consistency, and we're going to be using that on the face. Alright, so let's keep that aside so we can apply that on our face. So here is my baking soda and baby oil. This is actually really like soft and very mild to the skin, okay? But of course, this treatment is not for everybody, okay? If you have a sensitive skin, please don't use baking soda. Use rice instead, okay? And you're just going to walk this through your face. For me, I just love to use my hands to apply all this natural stuff. Okay, so after which you've applied this, you're just going to gently give this a mild massage like this. So you give this a little very mild massage, alright? So after which you've massaged this, you can leave it on your face for like 15 seconds. Okay, not too long, okay, because it's baking soda. Please don't leave it on your face for too long, okay? 15 seconds is enough after you've slightly massaged this, and you go wash this off. So I'll go wash this off and I'll be right back. This treatment is just going to help you remove dark spot, pimples, pigmentation. It's just going to glow your skin. Okay, this treatment would no way lighten you, whiten you, or brighten you up. It's just going to uproot all those stuff going on your skin, leaving your skin beautiful, smooth and radiant. Okay, so I'll go wash mine and I'll be right back. That is actually very friendly. Like, it is so freaking friendly on my skin because I have a combination skin. Okay, well, it might not be good for everybody because skin types varies, okay, because of the baking soda. And if you are applying it on your skin, you have to scrub and wash it off immediately you're done applying it, okay, so it doesn't discomfort your skin. Well, if you have a sensitive or fragile skin, please don't use it, okay? And I'm going to be coming up with more ingredients that is made of more friendly and more very mild remedy, okay? You are going to be using that particular one. So that's it, guys. If you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, ask them on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.